Everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a continuation of the Floriworld that you have to see the attraction for the flower and plants if you are a lover. This is a new interactive flower and plants attraction in the Netherlands. It is a world famous flower auction in Alsmeer. If you watch all my video, you can see it there. This is a journey through the world of flowers and plants. You can enjoy all kinds of flower and plants related things. Here, if you watch this video, you can see surrounded by a colorful sea of flowers and view the artful creation of top florists in the flower shop. So they are very creative, very nice so far. It's not the same view, huh? Maybe this one, this is the you can see, but I think if you visit here, I think it's a different attraction again. They change it. It's not always the same because they are very creative. So like this one, it's a very nice.
So they have a different color.
And there are more than 5,000 fresh flower run over the Floriworld that goes through the entire attraction. And the nice thing is, at the end of the experience, you can also bid a real bouquet in the flower auction.
Yeah.
But in my experience, we don't have that because it's so quiet. It is Sunday. We don't have a bouquet there. That's why even I show this video, it doesn't mean that it is the same attraction. If you visit here, it's changed. So this one, you can see the other indoor plants as we go up. You can see the indoor plants. These are the plants that you can also buy it in the auction sale. But as an individual, we cannot buy it unless if we have a store. Because you do bidding, I think.
Ay, inday. Next.
You buy so many thousands. Because only the people who come here in the auction have a store. They are selling plants. But if you are not selling, if you just buy one or two, we cannot come here and buy, I think. But as we can watch this video, you can have an idea what kind of plants that you have to buy and put it in your house. So it is very nice. I hope you enjoy because even me, I enjoy watching in person. But it doesn't mean that this what you can see here in the video is the same when you come here. I think they will change. They will change the settings, everything, and also the flowers. So every time you enter, because after passing it there, we enter again in other place like this, and you can also see another settings because it reflects that this building is really buildings in the Netherlands. This one, and you can also enter that building also. So we cannot step in there.
Huh?
So we have to check again. Have to do check in. So we have to wait and then we can enter in this room.
Oh.
And then watch about the information about the Floriworld. So that you have also an idea what it is. So if you are a lover of flowers and plants, you have to watch this video
Verkoopt 27 miljoen bloemen
because
per
they
dag.
show it here.
Is 7 dagen in de week op.
Oh, nice kind of flower, eh?
Kunst, muziek, eten en drinken. Het festival met bloemen en planten op mooiste zien en verrast bezoekers met diverse toepassingen in kunst, design en food. Een plek om te genieten van geuren, kleuren en composities van bloemen in de historische tuin en het Flower Art Museum. Om zo de fascinerende wereld van Aalsmeerse sierte te ontdekken.
What's that? Is a TV?
What?
TV?
This is a living room. There you look outside. The street.
The same? The same?
All the things you can check. Otherwise you cannot check it.
I'm not so sure.
They are the largest flower auction in the world. Imagine.
Verkoopt 27 miljoen bloemen per dag. Is 7 dagen in de week open. Heeft 36 veilingklokken. 2600 medewerkers. En 4000 leden. Het is de grootste bloemenveiling ter wereld.
Om